Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So how do you solve this integral? This is an MIT Integration B of 2024 season quarterfinal, so please subscribe. So let's solve this integral. So let's start off by, I'm going to use integration by parts, D and I method, D for differentiation and I for integration. I'm going to differentiate the ln of x, this is plus, this is minus, and I'm going to integrate x plus 1 times e to the x. This one, integrating this one, I'm also going to use integration by parts again, which is integration by parts. You can let u to be equal to x plus 1 and in integral of v dv to be the integral of e to the x dx. So it's uv, which is x plus 1 e to the x minus the integral of v is e to the x, dx is du, because differentiating u here with respect to x is just du. So that is dx. So that is x plus 1 times e to the x minus the integral of e to the x is e to the x. And this one really simplifies to x e to the x plus e to the x minus e to the x. And that is going to give you x e to the x. So integrating this one is going to be x e to the x. And differentiating ln of x is 1 over x. So cool. So you can erase this now. And we multiply the diagonal terms. So when we multiply the diagonal terms, we are done with the integral, but when we multiply terms horizontally, we have to take the integral. So the integral, we can really finish this one off here. So the integral of x plus 1 times e to the x natural logarithm of x dx. This is multiplying terms diagonally. That is going to be x e to the x ln of x minus the integral of 1 over x times x e to the x dx. And that is going to simplify to e to the x e to the x ln of x minus the integral of e to the x dx, because these guys will cancel, and we are having x e to the x ln of x minus e to the x plus the constant of integration. I think we can do some factorization. So this one is x ln of x minus 1 all multiplied by e to the x plus the constant of integration. So this is our integral, x plus 1 e to the x ln of x dx. So this is the value of our integral. So if you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more engaging content like this. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.